pup enjoying his first snowfall. Oh, almost sounds like a plow. Halloween Eve. Wouldn't be Halloween in northern Minnesota without a little snow ahead of time. Starting to make some ice. Oh, I think I saw about 18 above for the low tomorrow. Not too bad. What do you think of the snow, pup? Get it. Get that snow. Get that snow. Get that snow. Get the snow. Get the snow. Get the snow. Eat it. What is that white stuff, huh? You'll be seeing a lot of that. Pretty cool. Maybe the end of the sandbox for the year. Alright. Everyone have a good evening. Over and out.